I am very, very saddened by this. I am my deep-hearted condolences for the families who've lost their loved ones. I think there are 28 people who were attacked and killed, and there are a number of people who are injured, and I definitely hope that they recover at the earliest. And it's a terrible act. I don't think that any group can highlight their causes through killing innocent people who are just there for a holiday. That an individual person has families of that individual person are so sad, and they're obviously, finished. I mean, somebody's father, somebody's son, and it's really sad. And in fact, the person who's there in Karnal, in Haryana, I will be going there to visit them. I am just saddened to see that, that whatever our security forces can do, and however these terrorists come in the middle and, cause such destruction and such killings. I mean, it's sad. But, as it's said that terrorism doesn't look at, any kind of religion or anything like that. But I have a disbelief. I feel that whenever in a country there's communal issues, people feel vulnerable, there's a division, and we see that in our country, that why are the minorities? Again, I'll be speaking about them. When I spoke about them 2 weeks back, I was summoned to the Enforcement Directorate, and I said there as well, I will not stop talking whenever there is wrong happening to anyone in our country. And I see that the minorities are sidelined. When they are praying, they are not allowed to pray on the roofs of their homes. If they are in abundance praying on a Friday or Thursday or Friday, and there's a spillover on the road, they are stopped. Historically, people who they worship or cherish, Aurangzeb and Babur, are ridiculed. And then there's a survey of mosques and things like that. Why I'm mentioning this again is because you saw how, or everybody saw in this country, that when this terrorist act took place, they were looking at IDs. They were looking at IDs. People who were non-Muslims were attacked. Messages were given to the Prime Minister. Why is this happening? Because they are feeling that Muslims are being mistreated in our country. Why should that be happen, that one religion can have people celebrating their gods and beliefs, those periods, on the roads, and we all have to adhere to them. And when the Muslims are having to pray on the roads, they are stopped. So this, if we are not united, we are going to be vulnerable. And this will, any bordering country will take advantage of this.